guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, in this question we're going to be looking at an exam style question on ions and ionic bonding. The question starts with a table giving you the number of protons, electrons, neutrons and the overall charge of three different particles which have been given the letters X, Y and Z. The first part of the question asks you to complete the table by entering the correct values into the blank cells. And you can see that for X we have a blank cell for the number of electrons, and for Y and Z we have blank cells for the charge. Answering this question correctly is dependent on you remembering the charge on a proton, neutron and an electron, which is that a proton has a +1 charge, a neutron is neutral, so has no charge, and an electron has a -1 charge. Therefore, if the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, the positive charge of the protons will be balanced out by the negative charge of the electrons, and the overall charge will be 0. And you can see that this is the case for particle Z. We have 9 positively charged protons and 9 negatively charged electrons, giving us an overall charge of 0. So what about for X and Y? If we look at X, we can see that we've got 9 protons, but that overall our particle has a charge of -1. What this means is that our electrons have not been fully balanced out by our protons. We have 1 more electrons than protons, meaning that X will have an overall charge of -1 if it has 10 electrons. So how about Y? Y has 12 protons and only 10 electrons. This means that only 10 out of the 12 positive charges are going to be cancelled out by electrons, leaving us with 2 positive charges that haven't been cancelled out and therefore an overall charge of 2+. So we filled in all the blanks and we get 1 mark for each of these that we got correct. In the next part of the question, we're asked to match up the particle to its correct name. And here we're given X, Y and Z, and also the names atom, cation and anion. This question is just about remembering the definitions of the names on the right hand side. Firstly, we need to remember that cations and anions are both examples of ions, and ions are charged particles. If we look in our table,
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.